Hi Sachin, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Madhuri.
Okay, your first film, Azan Sachin, was very high on effects and it was very stylized.
Right.
We believe this one is kind of more real. Tell us about it.
See, Azan was a different
Yeah.
experiment at that time, and it was an action film. It was shot across so many countries. I think 9 countries and about 17 cities. But this one is more realistic. It's a cop story of Abhijit Patil, the character that I play. But at the same time, you'll see what the real Mumbai is all about. So it's realistic in a way, but it has a lot of entertainment. You know, it's a fun film, but at the same time, keeping the real values intact.
Also the title of your movie, Mumbai Mirror. It reminds us of a very famous and very gutsy tabloid in Bombay. How did you come up with that title?
See, as I told you, Mumbai Mirror, the movie, is real. I mean, we are trying to show the reality of Mumbai. I mean, while shooting, and when I heard the script, while shooting also, the things that I saw in Mumbai, I have never even thought that this could be there in Mumbai. Areas like Dhobi Ghat and, you know, the Bhindi Bazaar, all that areas, we only heard about, and we have a certain perception about it. But when you go there and you shoot and you see the real stuff is completely different. So this movie, if you see, we're trying to show what dance bars were all about, what cops and dance bar nexus would be, and what drugs in the city does. So we all just have perceptions or assumptions. So this movie is trying to show the real side of these specific areas. That's why we thought that we're trying to show the mirror of Mumbai.
Apparently Mallika Sherawat was supposed to be part of the film, right?
Yeah.
And
yes.
so how did that not work out?
Well, there are many reasons to it, but I guess it didn't have to work, so it didn't work. But she was quite keen on doing the movie. I think the dates were not matching and stuff was not happening because there are a lot of actors. There's Prakash Raj, there's Aditya Pancholi.
There's a lot of very good actors in the film, yeah.
So the combination was not working, I think.
And then you have 2 new girls, right? One is from South, you were telling me.
Right. Vimla Raman is the actress who's playing the Mumbai Mirror Jano. Mumbai Mirror is a channel, in the movie, and she's done quite a lot of films in South. She's done about 32 films. So she's a seasoned actress, and it's her first Bollywood film. Gianna Khan is a fresher who's playing the queen of dance bar, and she's done a fab job.
Yeah. You know, this year we've seen a variety of films really working.
Right.
You have a Kahani, you have a Barfi, and all kinds of different kinds of cinema.
Right.
So you, as you know, you're fairly new to the industry. So how do you pick and choose something? I mean, do you really think about what is working? Is action working? Is comedy working? How do you go about it?
See, for me, I mean, my take about films is very simple. I mean, I believe a good film works. There's no definition that a comedy would work or an action would work or a horror would work. If you see, in this year, horror has worked, emotional drama has worked, action has worked. So everything works. As long as it's a good film, everything works.
Yeah. And you also have some friends in the industry, like, you know, Shah Rukh Khan, they're all your buddies.
Right.
So do you ever like exchange notes? Does he like give you a few tips here and there?
Well, to be honest, I get to learn a lot from them.
Yeah.
I always believe, I mean, you can learn from anyone. It's not necessary that it's only him or anybody.
Yeah.
But you get to learn a lot from them. And even in return, you know, they understand the world other than cinema.
Right.
When we interact, for our interaction, we just don't talk about cinema. We talk about many more things.
Right.
So we exchange notes, and it works in the interest of all of us.
You know, nowadays, of late, you see in Bollywood that movies are very stylishly made. The treatment is very stylish. But often we compromise content for style. Like you could have like an Agent Vinod, very stylishly made, but some of the content just doesn't strike you. So you got to find that balance. What do you think about that?
Definitely. I mean, style definitely works, but I strongly believe good content is what works at the end. No matter, like you said, Agent Vinod.
Yeah.
It's a very stylish film.
Yeah.
There are many stylish films have been made. Like Azan was a stylish film made, but I think content is the king, and it has to work first. Then everything else is working with it.
Sachin, your wife, Urvashi, she's been an actress.
Right.
So how involved is she in your career, in the way you choose scripts or making of the movie?
Well, she's quite hands-on now. It's almost been a year that we've been married. Time just flies, I guess. She's quite hands-on, not just with movies, and she is a very responsible person, and You know, the best part about her is she's intense and she wants to learn new things all the time. So once she learns something and she's hands-on to it, she not just with the movies but with other businesses that I'm involved with as well. So I think it's positive for me that I've got a good support in a wife.
But being an actress, doesn't she get possessive?
No, I don't think so. In fact, it is better. You know, she understands this industry better than anybody else. So, possessive, yes, every girl is possessive, whether it's a wife or a girlfriend. But I think she's more understanding from that point of view.
Do we ever see the two of you together? Have you thought of that?
I've told her that I want to work with you. So please find something that's interesting for us to work along. Hopefully.
Yeah,
Yes.
sometime soon.
Sometime soon.
Wow. Who do you think is the toughest competition? Do you feel competitive?
See, unless there's no competition, there's no point of doing anything in life. And as long as competition is healthy, it's good. I mean, every actor today is trying to compete, trying to make a good body, trying to brush up their skills in acting, trying to do something new all the time, experimenting, promoting the film. So that's because everybody knows that it's competition now. It's always there. It's with everyone. So you can't say, no, I'm not competing, or I'm not competing with him, or I'm not competing with that. Everybody is competing with everyone.
Yeah.
And it's good because more and more films will be made, more and more the business will increase, a lot of families will get supported indirectly, directly. So I think it works.
Which is the one actress you're dying to work with?
Ah.
I'm sure there are many, but just name a few.
Well, I'm not really dying to work with. I really want to work with a lot of actresses and a lot of actors. You know, you get to learn something new. Like with this film, I've learned so much. I mean, in terms of my skills as well, I learned so much. I brushed up my skills with actors like Prakash and Prashant Narayan. So I think I want to work with seasoned actors so that you get to learn a lot with them, and at the same time you grow up as an actor. Actress-wise, yes, I would like to work with Priyanka for sure, because she's a friend as well, and she's, I think, very hard-working talent there available. And all the actresses, I mean, it could be Parineeti, it could be Anushka, it could be anyone.
Wow.
It's just project to project, I guess.
Okay, going with the concept of your film, I want to ask you this last question. Who do you think is the hottest actress come item girl in Bollywood? Kareena, Katrina, Priyanka and Mallika.
Sorry, come again, Kareena?
Kareena, Katrina, Priyanka, Mallika.
And actress, another same time.
I mean, because they've all done item numbers.
I think Kareena Kapoor.
Yeah?
Yeah. She's talented, she's a brilliant actress, and at the same time, it's not about her dance, but it's just her expressions are so interesting, and that makes the whole song look nice. At the same time, her acting is superb. I mean, whatever she's done in recent time.
Thanks so much, Sachin. It was wonderful talking to you and wish you all the best for your film.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Olivia.